Hi guys, this is Jenny and today I made traditional Korean food. Yay! It was cool to see one of the oldest traditional Korean market. It was awesome to pick out and buy fresh ingredients at that place. That was our teacher and those were the menu. Like this, we prepared the ingredients together and made soups, Korean pancakes, pork dishes, noodles, and even kimchi. Look at that, that's all that we made. Doesn't it look so good? Ta-da! Well, it's time to eat. Of course, at the end, we got to eat all the food that we made, which was absolutely delicious. So, if you're interested in making Korean food, check out KoreaTravelEasy, and bye!